Yeah, I guess I should have tried more because I was sitting here messing with things. But I'm back with another two turning tools video real quick. So I'm going to use Lawlock's tool, the thin one, or well, the tapered one down in the bottom. Then I'm just going to use this. If I can see through the camera. And that's open already. So again, that's just two turning tools. As you can see, not a rake, no sleight of hand. Same deal in this Euro cylinder. Take this. Make sure I'm on the... There we go. And we're open. Kind of like a jiggle rake technique, but I just figured, how unlikely is that?